episode of Paint, Productivity, and Profit, a new special podcast series sponsored by Sherwin-Williams Automotive Finishes. We're here today to talk about the importance of body shop owners and managers investing in their business through new and regular training updates for their paint and refinish teams. This can result in higher productivity and profitability for the shop by learning about new quality products, the latest preparation and application techniques, all the while producing better quality work, increased efficiencies, and reduced rework costs. Joining us today is Gary Kilby, Senior Technical Excellence Training Manager with Sherwin-Williams Automotive Finishes. Gary, it sounds somewhat obvious, but what's the need for increased and available training opportunities? What's involved in today's training, and what are the important benefits that shops can receive by having their refinish and repair teams staying fully trained?
Hi, Jason, and thanks for the question. I'll focus my answer on the refinish training part of it. One of the greatest benefits for attending a Sherwin-Williams training class is the refinish technicians have the opportunity to step away from the daily pressures of cycle times and vehicle deliveries. At our training centers, they can relax, focus on learning, and improving their skill set. That's whether they're new to the industry or a long-term veteran. And during the training class, the technicians can take the opportunity to learn new techniques, try out new equipment without the fear of making a mistake on a customer's car. And after the class, they can go back to their shop, take some of those new techniques they've learned, and apply those in the shop for better efficiency and quality.
Thanks, Gary. And I think it was several years ago or so, maybe longer than that, ICAR did a study that showed that shops that consistently trained were more productive and more profitable. And this was validated through a study they had done. So it kind of leads into my next question. How do today's training programs assist with improved shop quality and productivity?
The training results can vary by class, even from student to student. We have a structured training class, but we can focus on what each individual painter is struggling with. Some of it may be metallic control, and by observing what our training specialists do, they can observe that and they can duplicate the process, and they'll see an improvement in their techniques. It could be someone who has a struggle with metallic control or blend techniques, and again, by observing those techniques, observing what our trainers do, they get the opportunity to observe and then repeat what they see, which is very, very valuable. I'm a big in favor of virtual training and the potential it brings to the industry, but there's nothing better than seeing a process in person and being able to duplicate that process with a coach right by your side. Additionally, students are introduced to products that they may not currently be using in their shop. Those products can improve both productivity and quality.
All right, Gary, so what does Sherwin-Williams specifically provide in the way of training, and what's involved when painters go in for new or refresher courses?
Jason, we provide ICAR-approved paint maker certifications for all of our automotive brands, and that class consists of 2 full days of training, which includes shop time and classroom time. We try to limit the classroom time to about 30%. Painters are hands-on. It's kind of challenging and difficult to keep them in the classroom too long. So we'll talk about undercoats. We'll go out into the shop and we'll spray undercoats. Then we'll come back in the classroom for a little bit of time. We'll talk about sealers and base coats and clear coats. Then we'll go apply those. So, we talk about the products, then we go show the products. In addition to our paint maker certification, we offer a 1-day color simplicity class. And that class by design is brand neutral. That can benefit anyone in the industry because it's just based on color theory. We even invite people who are not using Sherwin-Williams products to those classes. It's a good benefit for them as well. And then in addition to the 1-day class, we have a 2-day class. So we take it from the 1-day class, which is just theory, to the 2-day class where the theory goes into hands-on practical applications. We'll have a panel that represents the car. We'll have a spray out that represents a mismatched color, so to speak, and then we'll give multiple exercises and we'll develop a process and show the painters how to adjust the color with a process, not just putting colors in there and hoping the color aligns with the car.
So what are some of the color theory components and details that painters and technicians will learn in these color courses?
The key components of our color adjustment class is achieving the correct color as quickly as possible. Before we ever talk about color adjustment, we focus on the proper use of the Sherwin-Williams color tools that we provide to our customers. In many cases, understanding how these tools work, we can eliminate, 90 to 95% of the need to tint. However, if tinting is required, then we talk about tinting as a process, identifying the direction the color needs to move, then selecting the appropriate toner to achieve that shift. And obviously we do that through our tinting charts, identifying the toners in the formula, and we try to move the color with those toners, and then making sure we understand what direction the color is going to go before we ever tint it. And then obviously we've got to focus on how much to tint the color. And what we always say is before you start tinting a color, one or two things are going to happen. You didn't tint it enough, or you tinted it too much. You're never going to be surprised as to which way the color goes. And obviously, we also talk about the importance of making a spray out card correctly. You spend that time to tint a color, you make a spray out, you don't clear coat it, you don't protect it, you don't document it. All that time is kind of a waste, and then that requires you to do the exact same thing the next time you need to tint a car with that specific code. So take the time to document that spray out card, because once you tint that color, you should never have to do it again. You have your spray out ready. If that spray out looks good to your car, you have all your adjustments. And with our collision core color, you can actually save that formula as a custom color. It makes it a really quicker process the next time that exact same color variant comes into your shop.
Gary, when painters return to their shops after completing training, what do you see them being able to do better and efficiently on the shop floor and in the paint booth?
Everything that we do in our training classes is about a process. And, we try to instill to the painters that you have a skill set, and that skill set requires a process. You could paint the same color car 3 times in a row, but you're going to have a variability of the temperature in the booth. You could have a variability of the variant of the color. You could have a variability of the humidity. So make sure that you understand it's a process. Set yourself up for success on every job. That starts from selecting the correct products, to the first step of prep, all the way to the clear coat. And what I always say is hopefully with as little buffing as possible. And what we like to use is the race car analogy. Sometimes to go around the track faster, you need to slow down going into the turns. And similarly, taking time to prep, don't skip a step and hope it doesn't show up. Follow that process all the way through, and it's going to lead to a faster, higher quality finish overall by following those processes.
Thanks. And another question, Gary, are painting classes primarily for new painters, or are there benefits for painters that have some experience who also could get sort of a going back to school session as well?
We would encourage new painters, veteran painters, and what we've seen in recent, which I think is a great idea, is we're seeing a lot more preppers come to the class. So shops want to make sure that they can protect those cycle times and keep the shops moving if the painter has to be out for unexpected needs or whatever. So we've had a lot of preppers come in. They get introduced to some spray techniques in there. If the painter is out, then one of our tech reps can go in and help that prepper paint for the day, and then they've had some practice up front at one of our training centers. And none of our training classes are the exact same. Obviously, we have structure to the class, but a veteran painter could come to one of our classes, come back a year later, he'll see some new products, but based on just the discussion of each individual class, he's going to learn some new things. He's going to be able to talk to different customers, different painters. We just had a class in Dallas last week, and I was walking through our cafeteria, and I just got a smile on my face because I was listening to all the talk and the chatter that was going on with the painters, talking about different scenarios they have. So it's very valuable to come back, learn new products, come back just for the different environment, the different socializing with the other painters. Again, our classes are for veterans, for new painters, and even preppers. So it's always a great thing to come back and provide continuous learning for our painters.
Cool. So it sounds like the classes are for everybody. Gary, we really appreciate your time today to provide us the input and demonstrate the opportunity shop owners and managers have to get their refinish teams better trained to meet the expanding needs in the collision repair market. If someone wants to get more information about Sherwin-Williams commercial refinish products, coatings and services, or training, where would they go to find out more or get in contact with someone from the company?
Well, hopefully the viewers can see on screen a link to our website, or they can pause this podcast and take a picture of the QR code. Both of these are going to take you to a dedicated website, and that website is committed to the Sherwin-Williams product training programs and courses. Or obviously you can reach out to your local tech rep, your local sales rep, or even a regional sales manager, or ask the branch. All of those different avenues can get you to all the information about our Sherwin-Williams training programs.
Great. Thanks again, Gary.
Thank you.
I'm Jason Stahl. Thanks for watching.